Welcome to CharmHealth, your medical records management and practice management application on the cloud. In this video, we will go over how to configure vitals. CharmHealth allows you to customize the health vitals that appear on your chart note. From the home screen, go to Settings, then Encounter, then Vitals. Under Vital Settings, check off all the vitals that you want on your chart notes. For temperature, select a unit. Click Save. You can also create custom vitals according to your specialty from the Custom Vitals section. Click the Add New Vital button. Enter name of the custom vital that you would like to create. Select Type. For rating scale type, enter scale range in the From and To boxes. For text with options, enter options on separate lines. Enter unit, then click Add. To edit or delete a custom vital, click the three dots next to it and choose Edit or Delete. Thank you for watching this video. For any help, write an email to support@charmhealth.com. Follow us on our social media for the latest updates.